Hi everyone, welcome to Math 150 College Algebra. Today we will do some example for section 1.7 about linear inequalities and absolute value. Number 1, express the interval in set builder notation and graph the interval on a number line. Okay, so we're going to review again. Okay, parentheses, so you can see parentheses over here. Yeah, parentheses indicate endpoints that are not included in an interval. This is parentheses, yeah? Now look at the other one, okay? Square brackets indicate endpoints that are included in an interval. So look at the definition about the open interval and closed interval, okay? The open interval, I just write down this one for, this is just for review, yeah? A, B. The set of all real number x such that A less than x less than B. Okay, this is for open interval. Now, closed interval, bracket, okay? The set of all real number x such that A less than equal, okay, less than or equal to x less than or equal to B. Follow ya? Now, the infinite interval, okay, so parentheses are always used with infinity or negative infinity. So the infinite interval A to the infinity, okay, the set of all real number x such that x greater than A. Okay, another one, the infinite interval, okay, represent about the negative, yeah, interval B close, yeah. So this one, the set of all real x number such that x less than equal B. Okay, this is just for the review. Then again, the PowerPoint. Okay, now from this one we can do the example. The problem is open, yeah, interval 1 to 7 close. Remember, open is not include, bracket is mean close is included. Okay, so for this one we can write down the set of all real number x such that 1, because parenthesis, yeah, because this is parenthesis, it's open, so it means no equal over there, so just less than x to the 7 is bracket, yeah, bracket. So we have to write down with less than or equal to 7. Okay, ready follow, yeah? Just remember, the open interval, yeah, is open like this. Use bracket, okay? This is open. Close, parenthesis, open is parenthesis, close is bracket. Okay, just remember that one. Now, for B, yeah, for B, choose the correct graph below. Okay, look at again. The question is, I change color first. Okay, 1 to 7, close. Look at this one. This is open. Yeah, look at A. A is open. So you have to find open first. Look at from left to the right. Okay. A, open. How about B? Close. C, close. Infinity. Yeah. So now from this one we can see the answer is A. Look at again. 7. This is close. Bracket. Check. This is bracket. So the answer is A. Okay. Everybody follow? I hope everybody follow. Yeah. Now go to the next one. Express the following interval in set Boolean notation and graph the interval on a number line. Okay, interval 1 to 4, close and open. Okay, so we can go directly. Yeah, it means bracket close. It means there is equal over there. Parentheses is mean like this. Okay, so just we have to write down. So this one I just change color. Okay, so I can write down over here. So 1 because close, just write down 1 less than or equal to x. 4 is open, so just less than 4. Okay, so now look at the graph. The graph is close and open. Look at A and B. Yeah, because this is close, this is close. Okay, the second one is B. And the second one is open. So look at A is this is closed, this is open. Or this is the answer. Yeah, between 1 to 4. This is 1 to 4. So you choose B because this is closed, this is open. Follow this? Okay. Now go to the next one. Express the interval in set Boolean notation and graph the interval on a number line. Is it the same, yeah? So now, interval negative infinity to 9. Okay, negative infinity to 9. Okay, everything is open because negative infinity or infinity, yeah, this is always open. Okay, so now look at again. The solution set in self-Boolean notation is, okay, or you can write down, yeah, x less than 9 because y is open. Okay, so now from the question, this one negative infinity to 9, so you can see the graph, right? So now look at which one. The arrow go to the left. X less than 9. The arrow go to the left. Yeah. Choose 9 first. Okay. Choose 9 between A or B. Yeah, because everything 9. A, B, and D. Now look at B. Yeah, because 9 over here, the arrow go to the left. Okay, because of this one less. Look at the arrow. It's like L. It means like go to the left. So the answer is B. Now the next one. Number 4. Use graph to find the sets interval open, yeah, negative 6 to the 4, intersection, close, interval, negative 2 to 7. Okay, now the intersection, yeah, the first, yeah, we have to graph first. Okay, so to find the intersection of the interval, negative 6 to 4 and negative 2 to 7, yeah, take the portion of the number line that the two graphs have in common. So you have to graph first, okay? Just graph this. This is 0, okay? This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. I just put like that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, between -6 to 4, yeah? So now, grab the second one. Okay, grab the second one. -1, -2. This is -2 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so from this one, we can just take a line. Yeah, make a line because M intersection. So this is 2, yeah? This is -2. Okay, this is 4. Which one M? So you can see. Okay, so the intersection interval -6 to 4 and interval -2 to 7, okay, is expressed in interval S because between -2 and 4. Okay, between -2 and 4. For this one, this is open, yeah. This is open. I just put like this is open. This is open. Okay. The second one is closed. -2 close. This is closed. So now we can see the blue line. Okay, the answer is between -2 and 4. But be careful, -2 is close, so you can write down -2 to 4. 4 is open. So I just put like this. Okay? Everybody follow? Okay. Now go to the next one. Change color first. Okay. Now, use the graph to find the set open interval -4 to 4 union close interval -2 to 5. Okay. Now, look at again the definition. Okay. The union of the interval -4 to 4 and -5 to 5 consists of the numbers that are either in one interval or the other or both. Okay. To find the union, first graph each interval on a number line. So we just graph first. Okay. The same like number before, yeah? It's number 5 and number 4 before. The same. Just make a line first. Okay. This is 0, -4 to 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. This is -4. Yeah, this is open. I just make a different color. This is open. Okay. The one, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's open. Okay. Now, other one. Make line again. This is 0, yeah, the same 0. Okay. So -2 to 5. This is -1, -2. This is -2. This close. I just make this close. Okay. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is close. That's right. Now look at both intervals. Okay. Take the portion of the number lines representing the total collection of number in two graphs. Okay. So you just add it. Okay. Just from this one, just take a line over here. This and this one. Okay. So the first one is open, yeah. This is open. Okay, so open from -4 to where? This is 5, yeah. This is close. Okay, so this one we can see the interval notation open -4 to 5 and close. So, question for this one? Yeah, try again. Yeah, try again, try again. Math just need practice and practice and practice. Okay, just go to the next one. Okay. Other than a no solution set, use interval notation to express the solution set and then graph the solution set on a number line. Okay. Now, the problem is 3 minus, I'll change color first, right? Okay. 3 minus x over 6 greater than 8. Okay. Now look at again. When both sides of an equality are multiplied or divided by negative value, yeah, so you have to change the symbol. Okay. So now look at first. 3 move to the right first, become negative. Yeah. Move 3 to the right first, become negative. So negative x over 6 greater than 8 minus 3. So negative x over 6 greater than 5. Now look at. So we need x. So after this, we have to sum by negative 6 both sides. Just remember, if you sum by negative number or divide by negative number, change. Okay. So just going down a little bit. Okay. So to get x, yeah, so I have to sum by negative 6 both sides, sum by negative 6 both sides. Okay, just erase, I make a mistake. I need space. Erase first. Okay, negative 6 like this. Okay, so after that, I just copy negative x over 6, and this is 5. Okay, remember, if if you sum by negative number or divide by negative number, the symbol change. Okay, the symbol change. This greater, yeah, change because of why? Because you sum by negative number or you divide by negative number, change the symbol, become greater, become less than. Or if you get less than, if you sum by negative number, become greater. Just opposite. Okay, so now because you sum by negative number, change the sign, become less than. Okay, so now they cancel each other. This is cancel. This is cancel. Negative times negative is positive. So the answer is x. Less than negative 6 times 5. The answer is negative 30. Okay. So now after this, you can just write down. Yeah. So you have to write down with notation. Okay. So now x is less than negative 30. So you can notation because open. Yeah, I'm sorry. I forget the ink. Okay, the answer is x. Okay, the answer is negative infinity to negative 30. Okay, now because the arrow go to the left, from this one we can see the arrow go to the left. Yeah, we just put the line first. Yeah, this is negative 30. The arrow go to the left and open, go to the left arrow, you see, and open like this. So we can choose which one, A, B, C, D, or E, or F. Okay, so the answer is C. Okay, just look at the arrow, go to the left or to the right. Try to put the variable on the left, number on the right side. So it's easy to see. Yeah, this is like arrow. See, like arrow. Oh, just mean this way, go to the left, arrow. Okay, question. Not yet. So now go to the next one. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm coughing a lot. So now number 7. Solve the compound inequality. Okay. 4 less than x plus 3 less than 8. Okay. Now, our goal is to isolate x in the middle. Okay. Our goal, a less than x less than b. So we need x in the middle. Okay. So now the problem is 4 less than x plus 3 less than 8. So we need x by itself. So I put this is minus 3. So all of them minus 3. So 3 plus you minus 3. So become 4 minus 3. The answer is 1 less than. This is cancel. This is our goal to get x. Right? Less than 8 minus 3 is 5. So now the answer is, yeah, just write down. This is open, this is open. So like this, yeah, because this is open, this is open. So parenthesis from 1 to 5. Just not hard, yeah? Just need practice and practice and practice. Okay, now go to number 8. Solve the compound inequality. Okay, just write down again, yeah? 3 less than 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 9. Okay, remember, our goal is to isolate x in the middle. That's our goal. Yeah, I just write down again. This is our goal. Yeah, x in the middle. Okay, so now for this one, we have to plus 1, put minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, now what next? 3 minus 1 is 2 less than, this is cancelled, 2x less than or equal to 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, now what next? Remember our goal, x in the middle. Yeah, that's our goal. Okay, so we have divided by 2. So divide by 2, divide by 2. This is cancel, become 1 less than, this become 1. So this is x less than equal 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, from this one, we can write down the interval notation because they ask about, we have to write down the interval notation. Okay, this is less than. Yeah, so it's with open. This is less than or equal to, this is bracket. Okay, so between 1 to 4. Okay, now go to the next one, number 9. Now, solve the absolute value inequality. Okay, so we're gonna review again about the definition. Okay, if U is an algebraic expression, okay, and C is a positive number, then the solution of, okay, I just write down the definition first. Okay, absolute value U less than C, okay, are the numbers that satisfy, okay, negative C less than U less than C. Okay, the rule is valid if less than is replaced by less than or equal to. Or we can write down this is negative C less than or equal U less than or equal C. Okay, but this is must be interval absolute value u less than or equal c. Okay. Now, for absolute value u greater than c, okay, are the number that satisfies u less than negative c or u greater than c. Okay, the same with the greater than equal. Okay, if you write down absolute value u greater than equal c, okay, you can write down u less than or equal negative c or u greater than or equal to c. Okay, the rule is the same, just change, yeah, with less than or equal to, or greater, change with greater or equal to. Okay, now back to the problem now. So absolute value x plus 8 less than or equal to 6. Okay, remember again about the formula? Yeah, I just write down with this one. Okay, so now we just write down, copy. Okay, negative 6 less than x plus 8 or equal, yeah, less than or equal 6. Okay, so now we just minus all three parts, yeah, minus 8, minus 8, minus 8, right? So now we can solve now, yeah? So negative 6 minus 8, the answer is negative 14 less than or equal to, is our goal, x in the middle, less than or equal to 6 minus 8, negative 2. Okay, so now look at again. You have to write down with interval notation, yeah? So this is close, yeah, because less than or equal to, this is close. This is less than or equal to, this is close. Okay, so the answer become negative 14 to negative 2. Okay, number 10 now. Solve the absolute value inequality. Okay, absolute value 2x minus 7 less than 3. Okay, so now I just going down a little bit. I have space. Remember the formula? Okay, so negative 3 less than. Okay, because this is less than, so you put negative 2 less than 2x minus 7 less than 3. Yeah, our goal, remember, to isolate x in the middle. Yeah, so now is our goal. So plus 7, the whole thing. Yeah, okay. So now we can write down negative 3 plus 7. The answer is 4. Less than, this is become 0. 2x less than 3 plus 7 is 10. Remember, our goal is to find x. Yeah, this is divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. Okay, now go to the next one. So change color again. Okay, 4 divided by 2 is 2, less than, cancel become 1. Yeah, so this is x less than 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, so you have to write down with interval notation. This is open, yeah? It's open. So just write down in the middle 2, 2, 5. Okay, now go to the next one, number 11. Now, absolute value 3x minus 9 greater than 15. Okay, you have to remember again, yeah, absolute value u greater than c. So you can write down u less than negative c or u greater than c. Okay, so now you can write down 3x minus 9 less than negative 15 or 3x minus 9 greater than 15. Okay, just follow the formula. Now we're going to solve, yeah? So negative 9 move to the right side, yeah? Become positive, that's right? So just change now 3x less than negative 15 plus 9. Okay, so 3x less than negative 15 plus 9, the answer is negative 6. We need x. So you have to divide by 3. You divide by 3. So the answer is x less than negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. Okay, now go to the next one. Go, move, become positive. So now 3x greater than 15 plus 9. Okay, so now 3x greater than 15 plus 9. The answer is 24. We need x. So you divide by 3, divide by 3. So the answer becomes x greater than 24 divided by 3 is 8. Okay, so now for this one, we just write down the notation. Yeah. So now less than. Okay, so you can make a line. Yeah, so it's easy for you to see this one. Yeah, this is negative 2 go to the left because the arrow go to the left. So we can see this is from to negative infinity. So we can write down. Remember, negative infinity always open. Negative infinity to negative 2 open because this is open. Okay. Now x greater than 5. Just write down like this. Yeah, 8 go to the right. Yeah, because the arrow go to the right, just go to the right. This is open. Okay. After that, just put this is 8 to the infinity. Or, so you can write down u. Okay. So you can write down on the top over here. Change color. The answer, yeah. The answer become over here negative infinity to negative 2 union 8 to the infinity. Okay. Now the last one, number 12. Now, negative 8 times absolute value x minus 4 greater than equal negative 16. Okay, remember, try to get absolute value greater than c. I just write down here, negative 8 absolute value x minus 4 greater than equal negative 16. Okay, we have to divide first. Divide by negative 8, divide by negative 8. Because divide by negative number, remember, you time by negative number, you divide by negative number, change. Okay, change become greater than equal, become less than or equal to. Okay, be careful for this one. Okay, because you divide by negative number, so you have to change the symbol. Okay, after that, I just write down over here is x minus 4. Yeah, absolute x minus 4. Negative times negative is positive. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Okay, now we got the new problem now. Yeah, so it means less than or equal. So now remember the formula for this one is absolute value u. Yeah, absolute value u less than equal to. So we can write down negative c. Yeah, or negative c. Oh, this is c. Sorry, this is c less than equal u less than equal c. Okay, so now we just write down. Just going down a little bit. Now, yeah, so negative 2 less than or equal to, because this is equal, yeah, x minus 4 less than or equal to 2. Okay, remember our goal, x in the middle, yeah, so becoming is negative plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, so now negative 2 plus 4, the answer is 2 less than or equal to is our goal, to get x in the middle less than or equal to 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, so just write down with interval notation. This is close, this is close. Bracket, bracket. Right? So 2 to 6. So, okay. If you have question, just let me know. Just send me email. Okay, and we can do virtual if you want. Make sure to make sure you understand or not. Okay, don't be shy to ask. Okay, and you can just go to Ice Center. They can do virtual too. Okay. Okay. See you on the next video. Bye bye.